You how I traditionally would be able to move everything over. I'm going to go to canvas size and I'm going to extend the right side. So I'm going to go to width and then I'm just going to click, make sure that it extends just on that side. I picked green so I wouldn't be able to select anything else on this side of the image. I'm going to go to content aware fill. The old Photoshop only had fill and I would do content aware that way, but it recently released when you go to edit and content aware fill here, it's going to basically show you what it's picking out of the image and bringing onto this side. It'll show you on the right side what it's going to look like. This looks amazing. Client wouldn't even notice. If it was me, I would probably just clean up a couple sections here to make it look like, you know, that was that. You could have it that big. If it was me, I would probably even crop just a little bit more. There you go. Took me 5 seconds.